Hey everybody, this is your divisibility video. Make sure that you have your notes in front of you. And here we go. Divisibility, everybody, is when a number can be divided evenly. So I'm going to ask you about a number. We're going to see, can a number be divided evenly by 2? Yes or no? Can a number be divided evenly by 5? Yes or no? That's kind of what we're going with here. And we're not talking about remainders. So make sure your paper's on the right side. You're going to see this number at the top. This number is correctly named 2,736. So we're going to ask you some questions about this specific number, 2,736. So make sure your notes show that. Okay, so my question is this number divisible by 2? So hopefully this is an easy one. How do you know if a number is divisible by 2? You know if a number is divisible by 2 if the ones digit is even. Remember, you can hit pause at any time to catch up with me if I'm going too fast. The ones digit in this case is a 6. Is the 6 even? Yes. So you don't have to do any division here to see, does 2 go into this or not? Yes, 2 goes into it because 6 is even. Easy. Okay, so let's check to see if 3 goes into a number. Here's how we know if 3 goes into a number. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So what does the sum of the digits mean? That means I'm going to add from the 2,736, I'm going to add 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 6. Let's hear that again, that's fine. So if I add these digits up, 2 and 7 and 3 and 6, I get 18. What good does that do me? Does 3 go into 18? Yes, it does. Therefore, 3 goes into 2,736. Answer, yes. By the way, this whole time you have a table to the right on your notes. A yes or no table. You can be putting yeses and no's in there. Okay, the number 4. How do you know if 4 goes into this 2,736? 4 goes in if the number formed by the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. So after you write that down, hit pause whenever you need to. Check with what I've got here for you. The last 2 digits make a 36. Does 4 go into 36 evenly? Yes, it does. So what does that tell you? That tells you that 4 goes into this entire number, 2,736. Okay, next section. Does 5 go into 2,736? Well, this should be, hopefully, is a simple one. The ones digit needs to be a 5 or a 0 for 5 to go into something. Is the ones digit a 5 or a 0? No, it's not. It's a 6. So the answer here is no. 6. Does 6 evenly go into 2,736? Well, here's how you tell. If both 2 and 3 go into this number. So we've already determined that. Does 2 go in? Yes, 2 goes in because it's even. Does 3 go into this number? Well, we added all the digits up. They were 18. Did 3 go into that? Yes. So since 2 and 3 both go in, the answer is yes. 6 goes into this number. Now, obviously, at this point, if you need to know how many times it goes in, you can determine that by the different ways we've worked on. But we're looking for, does 2 go in? Does 3? Yes, they do. Okay. We're skipping 7 and 8. We're going to do those in class. 9. How do you know if 9 goes into a number? Exactly the same as 3. We got to add the digits. The sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So will 9 go into the sum of the digits? Well, if you remember, the sum of the digits gave us 18. Does 9 go into 18? Yes, it does. So that means 9 can go into this number. And the last one for this video is 10. 10 might be the easiest one. We know 10 goes into a number if it ends with a 0. If the ones digit is a 0. In this case, is the ones digit a 0? No, it's a 6. Therefore, 10 does not go into this number. So your chart on the side should look like this. I hope you hit pause many times so that you could catch up with all the stuff that I was talking very quickly about. On the other side of the paper where we started, I guess, is a homework assignment that deals with 738. It looks like this. Please have that one for tomorrow in class.